This video will show you how to input data and then extract the mean and the median. So here is, I've already opened up SPSS. I'm going to go to File, New, Data. It'll bring me an empty sheet in case you need that. The first thing I will do is go to Variable View and type in name of my students. And I'll put in their test scores or score. First thing I will do is I will change this field here that says numeric. I'll press the three dots and click on string. This tells SPSS that this column is going to be letters rather than numbers. And there were Mike, Amy, and Jean. And their scores were 74, 74, 88, and 98. So notice I have the three little bubbles here with a little A here that shows that this is string. And I have a little ruler that says score and it has the actual numbers. Now I want to have SPSS tell me the mean and median of this data. So I will go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, bring score over from this box into this box, click on Statistics, and then check the mean and the median in the Central Tendency box. Click Continue, and then click OK. And there we are. I have my table of values, and I also have the mean and the median of my data set.